Moving on, the Trump administration recently announced new tariffs on aluminum and steel imports with a 25% tariff set to take effect on March 12th. This move builds on similar actions taken during Trump's first term in 2018, where Section 232 tariffs were imposed under the Trade Expansion Act of 1962 to assess import impacts on national security. While previous tariffs exempted key trading partners like Canada, the European Union, and South Korea, President Trump has confirmed that no such exemptions will apply to these newly announced measures. The administration also hinted at introducing reciprocal tariffs on foreign countries that impose tariffs on U.S. exports, signaling a more aggressive trade stance. Recent negotiations with Canada and Mexico show the administration's use of tariffs as a bargaining chip, with a temporary pause granted in exchange for increased cooperation on border security and fentanyl control. The new tariffs pose significant challenges for industries reliant on aluminum and steel. For example, Canada, the largest supplier of aluminum and steel to the U.S., accounts for a substantial portion of these imports, close to 40% for steel alone. Including Canada and these tariffs is expected to lead to widespread price increases on aluminum and steel products. Small and independent breweries, which already face rising costs, could be hit particularly hard. The Brewers Association, representing American craft beer producers, noted that aluminum price spiked even when Canada was excluded from the 2018 tariffs. This impacted the cost of aluminum cans, a packaging method increasingly favored by craft brewers. In 2023, aluminum cans accounted for 68.4% of packaged craft beer by volume, and by early 2025, they made up 75% of both volume and revenue. The anticipated rise in aluminum prices will likely increase production costs across the board for brewers. Beyond aluminum, steel tariffs could also affect breweries by driving up the cost of essential equipment such as kegs, brew houses, steel tanks, and building materials. Additionally, breweries exporting beer to Canada, America's largest craft beer export market, accounting for 37.5% of exports, may face retaliatory tariffs, with some provinces already canceling U.S. shipments or promoting Canadian-made options. These tariffs could significantly disrupt businesses that rely heavily on metal imports, especially small breweries. Higher material costs and potential retaliatory trade measures could squeeze profit margins, limit growth, and strain international relationships. To address these challenges, the Brewers Association is actively working with Congress and the administration to advocate for American-made products while minimizing harm to small brewers. They emphasize the importance of keeping members informed about policy changes and exploring ways to mitigate the industry's financial burden. The evolving trade landscape underscores the need for vigilance and continued dialogue between the administration and affected industries to balance economic growth with trade fairness.